Alrighty, everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the top 4 resources to find deals on carpet knee kickers. So the first one, if you're like me, you're on Amazon, you live on Amazon. Now, if you're a Prime member, you know how easy it is to get tools and supplies shipped right to your house. So we're going to scroll through a couple of these here. These first top 2, if you're the DIY type and you're looking for something cheap and easy to do a couple jobs, that's fine. But this third one here, this Roberts, that's a good one. You got $8 shipping, so you're about $75 roughly. Just keep the math simple. That's a decent deal, but you could definitely do better. This one for $31.45. That's another one for the DIY types. Just a quick one and done type thing. $69.99, that's not bad for that Roberts kicker there. Let's scroll through a couple of these others. $100, nope. $100, nope. $112, nope. So we can go through the pages of this, but Amazon's first page search results, your best deals are going to be this Roberts 10-410 economy adjustable knee kicker for $70, not bad. And then we have the Roberts Carpet Tools Deluxe Knee Kicker for $65 plus $8 shipping. I would have those two on my radar personally. Let's see what else we got. So Lowe's, I've found some deals on tools, especially on clearance here. They only carry one model of knee kickers though. $81.97, and that's it. They don't carry any other models, so not bad. And the upside to Lowe's is it's typically in everybody's backyard, so you could just run in real quick, grab this, knock out your job, and get paid. Certainly not an amazing deal, but a very fast resource. Next one, we got Home Depot. $29.97. These are pretty janky, but once again, they're good for the DIY types that just have like a bedroom to do, and that's it. The next one, we have the Deluxe adjustable knee kicker, $82 for that. That's all right, but I would go for this Roberts economy kicker, $70 there. Or this MD, which is actually, that's funny, that's the same one that Lowe's carries. They have it for $77, and I think Lowe's was just over $80 if I remember right. These other 2, 3, I would skip over those. This Roberts for $97, So yeah, they have a couple here on this page. I would go for the MD or this Roberts economy adjustable knee kicker. Those are going to be the best deals there. Let's see what else we have available. Let's go into another great resource of eBay. Now, eBay, if you can deal with shipping time, this is without a doubt where you're going to get your best deals on carpet knee kickers. And look at these first two here. I mean, you got 369 sold of these those are the janky ones I was just talking about for you DIY types. And these next two in line here for $35.49 each. Same thing. If you have a couple bedrooms to do, they're fine. But let's find some good deals here. So we got $29.99 or best offer. That would be something I would jump on. Let's see if they got a big shipping price. Attach this or free shipping. Let's see what we got here. It's coming out of Texas, returns, payments. I'm not seeing free shipping anywhere, but I would make an offer of $19 on this and see if I could swoop it up. See if they got any other pics of it. Yeah, I mean, good used kicker. So you can go on eBay and try and get that for $19. That's an awesome deal. $75 for best offer, and nothing great there. $19.99 or best offer. That's okay for those DIY type deals. We got here. All right, so that's the one. This one right here. That's the same one we were finding at Lowe's and Home Depot for I think $75 to $80. Here we have it for basically $40. Fast and free out of Illinois, so that would be something to jump on as well. So as you can see, eBay is definitely the way to go for your carpet knee kickers. The only downside to eBay is if you're an Amazon person, you're waiting a week for your tool to show up versus Amazon. It's at your door the next day or 2 days, worst case scenario. But look at these deals. We got 45, 50, 40, 64, and a lot of best offer stuff. So just throw lowball offers at all these. Another cool thing you could do, and I've done this in several different niches, is I will just go and make crazy low offers on all types of random stuff, and then just turn around and resell them on Craigslist for profits, or take them to your local distributor when you're there in the morning picking them up, and you can resell them there as well. So if you get a bunch of these for $20 a pop, you resell them to the local installers for 30, 40, make 50 to 100% return on your money. And if you're already going to the distributor every morning, it's not a big deal for you to throw them in your truck and try and get your hustle on there as well. So look at this, loads of deals. So if you have time eBay definitely is the place to go, and it looks like if you're short on time, I would say Amazon's going to have the next best deals for you. So for more tips and tricks on the flooring business and tools and everything that comes with it, be sure to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions about where to get deals on tools, and I will create a video for you. Thank you.